Adding indexes to a write-heavy table is like putting speed bumps on a busy highway. Sure, they help certain drivers, but they slow down everyone else. Let's break down the real costs. Every time you insert, update, or delete a row, the database doesn't just modify the table. It must also update every single index on that table. This index maintenance overhead adds significant latency to write operations. For a table with 5 indexes, one insert becomes 6 write operations. In high-throughput systems processing thousands of writes per second, this overhead compounds quickly, turning what should be millisecond operations into bottlenecks. But here's the payoff. Indexes dramatically accelerate read queries. Without an index, the database performs a full table scan, examining every row. With a properly designed index, it jumps directly to the relevant data. For analytical queries or user-facing searches, this difference can mean sub-second responses instead of timeouts. The question is whether your read workload justifies the right penalty. Beyond performance, indexes consume substantial disk space. Each index is essentially a duplicate copy of the index columns, stored in a sorted structure. A table with gigabytes of data might require additional gigabytes for its indexes. In write-heavy scenarios with concurrent transactions, indexes also increase lock contention. Multiple writers competing to update the same index pages create queuing delays that ripple through your entire application. Smart strategies exist to mitigate these costs. First, be selective. Only index columns actually used inhere clauses or joins. Second, use partial or filtered indexes that cover only a subset of rows, reducing both storage and maintenance cost. Third, for bulk data loads, consider dropping indexes before the import and rebuilding them afterward. Finally, composite indexes can serve multiple query patterns without multiplying the overhead. The key is treating indexes as a precious resource, not a default setting. Remember, indexes are a trade-off between read speed and write cost. Design them intentionally based on your actual workload. Now go optimize your schema and subscribe for more database insights. Ready to practice for your next interview? Interview Mentor lets you answer real questions just like this one. After each answer, you get a detailed grade and personalized tips to improve. Watch your scores climb as you keep practicing.